Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So recently I have upgraded to a standing desk setup, and the latest edition is something I didn't realize I would end up liking this much. It's the WalkingPad A1 Pro. Basically, it's a treadmill that folds in half and it fits right under my desk. I must say it is quite compact and convenient, and it has honestly made it much easier for me to stay active indoors while working or doing a little bit of sports. Alright, let me show you what I mean. The first thing you'll notice is the design. The A1 Pro has a modern, minimalist look with a metallic textured panel and a hidden LED display that only lights up when it's in use. You get no bulky treadmill vibes here. It blends right into your living space. It's also incredibly slim, only 57mm when opened, so it sits low to the floor and feels natural under a standing desk, and when folded it is just around 12cm high and takes less than half a square meter. With the built-in wheels, moving it around is really easy. I tend to move it a lot, like sliding it under the sofa or desk without any problems. The frame is made from aluminium alloy. It feels solid, yet it is still light enough to move. It supports up to 136 kilos of weight capacity, while weighing only about 28 kilos itself. What I really like is that there's zero setup. You literally just unfold it, plug it in, and you're walking. Once you're finished, fold it in half and tuck it back under the desk so everything stays neat. In terms of performance, the WalkingPad runs from 0.5 to 6 km per hour. You can use manual mode with the remote. It handles start and stop, and you tap up or down to nudge the speed. That's perfect when you want a steady pace for typing or calls. There's also auto mode. The pad uses sensors to read where you're walking. Step a little towards the front to speed up, stay in the middle to hold the pace, drift slightly back to slow down. I'll be honest, my first couple of tries were clumsy. I kept stepping too far forward and it would jump faster than I wanted. After a few sessions it clicked. I use auto mode when I want the pace to follow me without reaching for the remote. The motor is brushless and quiet, under 65 decibels, so you can use it even late at night without worrying about disturbing anyone. The deck itself has a soft gel cushion layer, so it's a lot kinder on your knees compared to walking outside on concrete. The way we use it has kind of become part of a routine. I'll often walk while I'm at the desk, especially on long work days when I'd normally just be sitting for hours. But honestly, the biggest win has been for my partner. She's recovering from postpartum, and this lets her get in gentle walks at home without the hassle of going outside or finding time for the gym. So in the evenings, she hops on it while we watch a show. It keeps her steps up without leaving the house. Before we jump into more details, here's a quick look at what you get in the box. Of course, you get the walking pad itself already assembled, so you don't have to put anything together. There's the power cable, a small remote control with a wrist strap so you don't drop it mid-walk, a wrench and silicone oil for simple maintenance, and a user manual and quick start guide to turn on the pad and connect it to the app. KS Fit, which connects to the pad, and you can control walking pad through the app if you don't want to stick to the remote. And it lets you track steps, calories, and even follow guided plans if you want structure. Let's walk through the options in the app. If you are new, start with the beginner guide. It walks you through the basics and then unlocks the full top speed of 6 km per hour once you are comfortable. Then you can set the maximum permitted speed up to 6 km per hour, and updating it in the app only takes a few taps. You can even set the startup speed from 1 km per hour, so every time you turn it on, it begins at the pace you prefer. The display is customizable too. You can choose what shows on the panel while you walk: time, speed, distance, calories, and step count. Pick the ones you actually care about and keep the screen clean. For peace of mind, there is a child lock option, so the pad will not start if little ones are playing around it. You also get built-in safety in this one, like auto hibernation and overload protection. And if you ever need to tweak something, the settings include tools for belt calibration and basic troubleshooting, so you can sort small issues without a service call. So yeah, the WalkingPad A1 Pro has been one of the easiest ways we've found to stay active at home. It's foldable, easy to store, and honestly just removes all the excuses. It makes it easy to exercise anytime without the weather getting in the way. If you're like me and spend way too much time at a desk, or if you just want something simple that fits into daily life, this is worth checking out. And don't forget to use the exclusive discount code in the description if you plan to buy one. I'll leave links below if you want to check it out, and let me know in the comments, would you use something like this while working or watching TV? Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.